Now listen, today we got something different, okay? Anybody ever tell you they can cook some ribs in, say, 45 minutes, 30 minutes? You said, nah, there's no way. Well, today we're gonna show you how to do just that, okay? We're gonna show you how to cook what they call finger ribs. All right, so now we got some packages here that we got from H-E-B, our one-stop shop, as they say. I tell you, boys, I just can't say enough about that store. I mean, I love H-E-B, always have, ever since I've been in Texas. Just been a great store to shop in. We always got good stuff. I mean, really good stuff. So anyway, we're gonna get these seasoned. It's a, what they call McCormick's barbecue blend seasoning. And the other one is bourbon brown sugar seasoning. One's a rub and one's a seasoning. So won't be over salted, but I promise you it will be good. We're gonna get them in these pans real quick. We're gonna get them out there on the grill and get started. Now, one thing about cooking these type of finger ribs, you wanna get them coated. Now, one thing about pork, you don't have to cook pork too long. Okay, if you cook it just a little bit, it's gonna be tasty and juicy and good. Okay, it's just like a pork chop. You get it cooked just right. Trust me, you're gonna enjoy that piece of pork. Okay, all right. So we're gonna use both seasonings today. We're gonna use this barbecue and the brown sugar seasoning. Now, these are just gonna be turned and flipped on each side. Trust me, you'll see the process once we get out there. All right, our fire is ready to go. We're gonna put some meat to it. All right, guys, this is the last of our cook. Look at that. I ain't gonna lie, I already taste some. It's good. Trust me, it's good. And look at here. Look at these cross tusks, guys. Look at that. Wow. You talking about good eating? This is good eating. Look at that. See that bone? We gotta pull it off of that. Look at that. Look at that. That's a cross-cut rib. Trust me, you ain't had nothing like this till you try this. Guys, give this a try. I guarantee you're not gonna go wrong. All right? Anyway, so here we go. Let me close the video out. Every day is a good day because I woke up today. It's all in how you live this day. And I've had a good day. Trust me. We out.